What would you say if your husband went to a strip club on a Sunday morning?
Well, I don't think my husband would be the sort of man that would go. And I should be rather annoyed if he did go.
What have you got against a strip club?
Well, is it decent? Is it decent? I mean, you answered me that question. Is it decent? I don't think it is.
Well, an awful lot of men go there.
Yes, I agree with that. But do you think it's fair to the younger girls? The young population of Tredegar, I don't think it's fair at all.
What do you think ought to be done about it?
Ban it, definitely.
What would you say if your husband went to a strip club?
I wouldn't say anything. I'd let him go.
You wouldn't mind?
No, I wouldn't mind. I don't approve of them myself, but I wouldn't stop anybody from going if they wanted to.
What would you say if your boyfriend went to a strip club?
Well, I wouldn't say anything. That's up to him. But as for myself, I think it's disgusting.
What would you say if your boyfriend went to a strip club?
Well, I know he's been to one, and if he gets something out of it, that's up to him entirely.
I do believe this, that if they can get up on a Sunday morning to go to a striptease act, it would be more profitable for them to get up in the morning and go to the house of God. God first and those things after.
Well, that's what the women of New Tredegar think about a strip club here on a Sunday morning. But what do the men think about it?
This would be, well, very mild compared to what was on in Europe. I mean, you only got to go to see streets of it in some cities in Europe. Hamburg, for instance. I mean, well, these people here, if they seen that street in Hamburg, well, I don't know what they'd say if they seen that. You know the place I mean.
Do you think it's fair to women that their husbands should go to a strip club?
Well, I believe it's up, I think.
Would you yourself go to a strip club?
No, I would not go.
Why not?
Well, I wouldn't disgrace myself to go. My wife would say, check me out, I expect.
I'll pay $2 to see a stripper.
You think it's too much money?
Well, not worth it, is it? I got a pint myself.
Now, you're married?
Yes.
Would you go to a strip club?
I wouldn't personally.
Why?
I see a strip show every night.
Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.